Hey, so have you ever had a installation fail on you? Well, that happened this time. And come to think of it, it's the first time it's ever happened. So, I felt kind of bummed, but I realized, hey, I did it. But then again, there's stuff that needs to be improved. So that's what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna go right back to it, look at what failed, go make sure I improve that, and make sure it doesn't happen again. And how do I do that? Looking at the materials that I used, looking at the process, and making sure every one of them is exactly where it's supposed to be, exactly how it should be, and keep it that way for next time. Yeah, so it was way too cold to be doing that outside. It's supposed to be spring, but it's still raining and all that junk. But anyway, yeah, so the shower, that particular one, the drainage failed. Failed in a sense. The water didn't go where it's supposed to go. Everything was supposed to end up in the drain, like, supposed to taper to the drain. Everything was supposed to end up there. Parts of it kept on lingering, and I kind of caught it at the later end. That shouldn't have happened, so that was my fault. Should have done that test right after I put in the shower liner. One, done the test again. Well, at least this is how I would have done it. One, when I finished the shower lining. Two, when I poured the mortar or sloped the mortar. And third, when I put in the mosaic or tile or whatever. Somewhere along the line, I think it got wet, so it sagged. But that's just me, hypothesizing. Wow, being hypothetical. That's me being hypothetical. But yeah, it happened. I have a clear path of how to fix it. I'm still processing it. I'm probably going to go with self-leveler and then build another slope off of that, and place more tile, or as a very, very last resort, take everything up. I'm not trying to do that because that's a waste of resources. What's there is there. It's slope. Parts of it, most of it slopes. It's just one point that didn't, release the water or didn't allow the water to drain. So I'm gonna build off of what I have and not remove everything that's there. So yeah, this is definitely not something for Instagram, or at least not Instagram in that sense, but it's gonna be more than the 30 seconds that Instagram allows. So I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Whatever fits on Instagram, I'm gonna put there. The rest is gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna make sure I link that in the bio. So check that out. There's other videos there that hopefully make you laugh or just scratch your curious itch, and you go like, hey, really, that happened? Or just to dig a little deeper. But right now, I need to head out there and go see what's up. So stay tuned. I'll make a video covering that as well. All right, later.